So this is our top of the range Warrior machine. This is the 3700 Warrior 3700. We do two other models of this. We do the 3400 and the 3002. What sets the Warrior apart from the other petrol machines that we do and makes it really popular with the hire industry is the chassis, because it's built like a tank. It's got oversized wheels on the back. It's really rough and ready. It's very solid. It can take getting knocked about, but it will work really well and perform really well. The Warrior has a full wraparound chassis, so the pump is protected at the front, the engine is protected at the sides, and now the handle here, there's a couple of wing nuts here, and that handle drops all the way down, so it's quite a sort of square unit if you need to put it into the back of your van as well. And obviously with the big wheels on the back, it is nice and manoeuvrable too. So the Warrior 3700P has a big 14 horsepower 4-stroke petrol engine on it. Big heavy duty brass pump, stainless steel valves, stainless steel pistons, stainless steel valve caps. So a top of the range heavy duty pump. It also pushes out 3700 PSI, which is roughly 250 bar at 15 litres per minute. So if you're looking to clean, big driveway areas, commercial vehicles, plant machinery, then with a high volume machine and high performance machine, you need to be looking at a Warrior. So with the Warrior range, they're designed to run off a mains water supply, but it also comes with a suction kit. So you can get them to suck water, but you'd need to bleed the air out of the pump first. So basically you just run the machine up without the hose gun and lance connected, get the air out of the pump, and then connect your high pressure hose up, and then away you go. So the Warrior comes with a suction kit. It comes with a 10 metre length of hose. It's got the quick release connectors on that as well, and that's a heavy duty steel braided hose. And it also comes with a 1 metre long trigger gun and lance, heavy duty trigger gun. It's got a really nice action on the trigger gun. It's got a 22mm connector in the centre, and it's got the quick release connectors on the end. So the nozzles, and there's 5 nozzles that come with the machine, they'll basically just snap off and connect into the lance.